go next.
Got one knocked. I only have a pistol though. Oh.
There's a guy in that house.
He's got a shotgun in there somewhere. Oh, he's upstairs.
So you only have a pistol in that gray yard?
Yeah, now I got a gray.
Oh!
Where's he at?
It's a ghost meow, so he's right there. Yeah, he knocked me.
Where is he? I was just down there. Where is he?
Oh, he's in the last one? There we go.
As you were feeling alive, why I tell you I was good, why the fuck would I lie?
Oh.
Guys throwing nades?
Oh shoot, the minis outside. Oh, I'm dead. Ooh.
I already used the mini.
Okay. Must have came from somewhere else then, but I'll take him. But yeah, he's got lots of grenades.
There's a guy above us and another guy down here.
Two above us. Below.
Oh, one of them.
Knocked one.
Okay. The other one's next to him. He's like right on that one.
Wow. That was luck. Yeah. Maybe you should try to save your mats instead of trying to do edit tricks. Ooh, I want to shoot this guy. Yep, 22, 22, 22, 80. Broke his shields. Broke that dude's shields. He was shooting at somebody else, though. I don't know where either of their partners are.
I have 6 nades.
I mean, I don't think you can throw them that far, but we can get into this fight. It's editing a cone up top. Man, does he still know we're not here? Broke his shield again. Oh, there's another one down low. So this one is a duo. There's two here.
So tag the one on top, 22, 20.
Ooh, they launch padded. $22 white.
Me too, I tagged 22.
Oh, this guy's going. 22 white. Dang, alright, we're gonna take their launch pad.
There's another guy, brick, and a brick right there.
Yeah, oh, there he is. 22 shield.
There's another. Oh, he tagged me for over here.
Yeah. Oh, he's got a sniper, he's staring at us. I don't really want him to destroy that launch pad, but I don't know if we should take it yet. Where are you going?
We should either take it.
Oh, you're getting shot at.
Yeah, I didn't take it.
There's still two of them there. So they're just hanging out there waiting for us to launch pad.
Broke. I broke the buzzer.
24 white, 23 white. Good job with the nades. It's perfect timing. Alright, I'm gonna launch pad out of here. Oh.
Should we go to circle or agency?
No. Hard left.
I 6 1 The one in the open, I
66. Knock one.
Nice.
Broke his shield, dead.
Oh,
We gotta run from the storm. I got 3 med kits so we can take a little storm damage.
yeah. If you want, you can take this one.
I wonder they were spraying me out so quick. That scar.
Yeah. Brick. All I really had to do was throw like one nade and you got him.
Yeah, you're pretty good with those nades. I can't ever seem to get them where I need them to be. Oh, this package is tempting.
When I was going for a llama, and when I opened the llama,
Are you
all
still
I
in the
got was
storm? Dang.
I'm out of it now.
You got medkit or do you need one?
I don't have one.
There you go. Sure, all my guns are loaded.
I'm surprised nobody went for this drop because it does look kind of sketchy. Just people could be sniping at it, waiting for somebody.
Alright. Oh, dang it, it fell through. That's gonna be weird. I don't think we can get it without messing with it. It's gonna fall.
I know how to get it. I know how to waterfall. Okay, I'm down to it.
That's good. You can build a lot better than me.
You're better at aiming. We're both two different types of players. You're like a better person at aiming than me. I'm a bit. All it was a pivot system.
What about a big pot for you? Didn't come with any shield, or just all minis?
I might go back and look. I don't actually know.
Ooh, I'm in a bush. There's a helicopter that just landed on this house.
Had no shields at all. No heals at all.
That's weird. Alright, well, I'm just chilling in a bush. I didn't see anybody on.
People on me, people on me.
Yeah. Broke white, knock.
Oh, they did.
He has a rocket launcher right here. Broke shield. He's white. He's trying to get his partner.
I finished his partner.
Alright.
This one
White.
has a mythic star. I have mythic.
Nice. Oh, above me. I messed up.
It might be a meow meow. It might be a meow meow.
Team right above me. I'm falling down the hill hard.
Broke one shield. Knocked one, knocked. I'm low
Okay.
though, I'm really low.
Try to heal up. Rocket coming in.
Did you tag him?
No. I'm just trying to spray him away. I think he's with you though.
Yeah, he's right there and I'm right there.
Oh, there he is.
Does he have a
Yeah, I'm
rocket
spraying
too?
him out with a rocket.
Tag him like 13.
Got him.
He'd be an easier kill.
Yeah, I put down launch pad. I'm going in.
Hey, this guy might get us pretty low with his rocket. Oh, he's running.
He
He's
launch
scared.
pad away.
He's scared. Can we just use his launch
Yeah,
pad?
we gotta go back. He's on our launch pad. No. Alright.
He's gonna
They're
keep-
all launch padding.
They might be a duo.
They might all be scared.
Yeah,
Rocket coming in. Oh, they're fighting each other. This is what we wanted. This is
yeah.
exactly what we wanted. Ooh, they're building a lot better all of a sudden though.
They are.
Yeah. We got 23 seconds to get to that side. Do we have a launch pad over here? Yeah, below. This dude has a rocket launcher.
Accidentally blocked me. Accidentally blocked me. I was gonna.
Just spamming this dude.
I'm trying to break down his valve.
Alright, we gotta move. Take the launch pad. There we go. Up here.
I'm landing right on him.
Oh, I'm
Landing
dead.
right on him.
Okay,
Bottom,
nice,
he was a
nice.
solo.
I gotta heal though. I gotta
He
heal.
was a solo.
I took a big shot from this other guy who's building up on us. He's coming in high.
Knock him down.
I'm popping a med kit. I got 5 seconds. Stay alive. We got this.
I'm gonna
Reloading
go
the
rush.
rocket. Reloading the rocket.
Oh wait,
He's
I
above?
forgot. He has a rocket.
I'm shooting him out.
totally forgot about Asia. Oh! He's going for me as a rocket.
Uh-oh. 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 He's really good. He's really good. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.